So this is my first free product that I've created. So I'm just sharing it with you guys so that you can grab it. It's called the Digital and Affiliate Marketing Guide, and I'm just going to walk you through it right now. Make sure that you grab it. It teaches you everything you need to know about the digital and affiliate marketing space online, especially if you're a newbie. And even if you're not a newbie, it solidifies your knowledge and encourages you to jump on the things that you want to achieve in this space. So this is my freebie. It's a free product. The link is on my Beacon store, so you can see it here. It's free. So if you click on it, you will take you to, drop in your email in, and then the product will be sent to you digitally. Okay, and this is the meme um, sneak peek as well, so you can get the sneak peek from my store as well. And this is AI influencer that I was telling you about, and this is the meme maker course. So these is the closing code. These are all the courses that are on my Beacons page. But I came here just to mainly to show you this, that you can grab this free of course. So, and it will walk you through all the things that you need to learn and know about digital and affiliate marketing. So basically, I just walk you through the sales page when you click on it on Beacons. Your free guide, the Digital and Affiliate Marketing Guide, is your free guide to building an online business that works for you. Are you tired of hearing about people making money online but don't know where to start? This free ebook breaks down the world of digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and passive income in a simple, beginner friendly way so you can finally see the bigger picture and start taking action. Inside, I share not just what but also how, the how. So you walk away with clarity, confidence, and a roadmap you can actually follow. Who this ebook is for? It's for beginners who want to understand digital marketing without overwhelm, anyone curious about affiliate marketing or digital products, and people looking for real ways to build passive income. Those tired of trading time for money and ready to create freedom. What you'll discover inside of this free ebook, I'll be breaking down digital marketing to teach you so you can understand what digital marketing really is about without the jargon, understanding digital products, why they are the number one tool for creating freedom-based income, what type of digital product should you sell, find the best option for you, what is a niche, what is an ICA, which is your ideal customer avatar, learn how to target the right audience with laser precision, branding basics, why your personal brand matters more than any logo. Affiliate marketing, explain what it is, how it works, and why it's the fastest way to start online. Examples of affiliate products. See real examples you can start promoting today. How much do affiliates get paid? Discover the truth about commission, the benefits of selling affiliate products, the low risk and high rewards, master resale rights, what that means, and private label rights, understanding these powerful income models, master resale rights and affiliate product, which one is right for you, master resale rights and PLR, the blueprint to making money while you sleep, exclusive bonuses including um, exclusive bonus included, sorry, because I want you to win. Why you love it. This isn't just another fluffy ebook, which is free, guys. It's free. You don't need to pay any money. Just go on my Beacons page, which I will link in the description below the video. You just click on that link and it will take you to my Beacon store where you can order this book free of cost and it will come right to your inbox. Okay. This isn't just another fluffy ebook, it's a practical roadmap that helps you to cut through the noise, learn proven strategies, gain confidence in choosing your first online business model, see how ordinary people are building extraordinary incomes online, and you can download your free copy today and take the first step towards your financial freedom with digital marketing. So you got it right here. So it's free of cost, guys, free of cost. Just I'll put the link in the description below and you just click on it. It will take you to my Beacon store and you put in your email and the ebook, the free ebook will be sent to your inbox. And that will help you on your journey. If you're new starting out or if you've already on your journey, it will still be a good source of resource for you to refer to or a tool to refer to on your journey as a digital and an affiliate marketer online. Thank you so much for your time. And remember to watch the next video that's coming up, or it may be on this side, to watch the video that's coming up, and it will show you or share with you all the other things I'm doing in the digital and affiliate marketing space, and what I'm up to, and the other things that you can learn from me. And yeah, that's it, guys. That is it. So remember to watch the next video that's coming up so you can learn all I'm doing in the digital and affiliate marketing space. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. God bless you. Bye.